Earth, formed around 4.5 billion years ago, our planet, our home. Yet we are currently extracting 60 billion tons of resources every year to meet the growing demands of the 7 billion people living on our planet, all busy making and using things, increasing the pressure on Earth's finite resources. As our population continues to grow, the demand for resources continues to rise. Something has to change before we become the dinosaurs of the future. That change includes our thinking about waste. We need to see waste as a valuable resource. Viridor, one of the UK's leading recycling, resource and renewable energy companies, is at the forefront of this change. After reducing, reusing and recycling our waste, facilities like this one at Ardleigh are the next sustainable option: energy recovery. Around 177 million tons of waste is thrown away every year in England alone. Transforming our residual waste into power is a step in the right direction, making a vital contribution to Britain's renewable energy supply. And this contribution is growing. Exactly how is this achieved? To begin with, household and commercial residual waste is delivered into a massive bunker. Grab cranes mix the waste and load it into hoppers, where hydraulic rams then push it into one of 2 combustion chambers. At this point, waste becomes fuel. Burning at 900 to 950 degrees centigrade, the waste releases the energy which is used to produce power. Heat exchange between the gases and water results in steam production. The superheated steam at 400 degrees drives a high-pressure turbine to power an electric generator. This generates 26 megawatts of electricity, which is exported to the national grid, in addition to the electricity needed to power the whole plant. The next step involves dealing with what is left from the combustion process. This includes treating the gases and ash and anything which can't be burnt. Around a third of the plant is devoted to cleaning up exhaust gases. The hot gases from the combustion process are treated to remove pollutants. Urea is used to remove oxides of nitrogen. Lime is used to neutralize acid gases, and activated carbon to absorb combustion byproducts. Advanced filtering systems capture fine ash and particles. Air pollution control residues are then recycled or disposed of at licensed off-site facilities. The operation is constantly monitored against the toughest environmental standards. The ash, any metal and other non-combustible materials such as stone, glass and ceramics are moved away on conveyor belts. Metal is separated and collected for recycling. The remaining material is processed on-site at Raymond Brown's facility. Here it is graded before being recycled. The product is then used in road building and construction as a substitute for raw materials, which would otherwise have been taken from the land and the sea. Ardleigh ERF is the first UK facility of its kind to process the ash on site, reducing the carbon footprint even further. Together, Viridor and Raymond Brown provide a sustainable solution for the handling of 70,000 tons of ash every year. Seeing waste as a valuable resource, Viridor is embracing the challenge for change, giving the world's resources new life. Ardleigh ERF safely and efficiently produces enough electricity to power 38,000 homes from what remains after Oxfordshire residents, councils and businesses have reduced, reused and recycled as much as possible. Giant dinosaur trackways left a footprint of times which have gone forever. If we don't move away from seeing what we throw away as waste and using it as a resource, what footprint will we be leaving? Viridor, giving the world's resources new life.